Hello, this is Dr. Oz. In this video, I would like to show you how to create a scatter chart and illustrate you horizontal pattern, which is one of the most simple pattern. So in this data, I have 12 weeks of data and I have sales in thousands of gallons. So as you see here, it's hard to see these numbers in terms of whether there's any kind of pattern, trend, or seasons, or cyclical behavior. It's hard to see. So let's visualize this by highlighting this column, insert, under charts, you will see scatter chart. And then here, to increase the data ink ratio, I will eliminate unnecessary horizontal grid lines. Click on one of those, it will select them all, press delete, click one of the vertical grid lines and press delete. And this increases the readability of my chart. So to improve even further this chart, I would like to have y-axis titles and x-axis titles. Click on this chart elements, and then here you will see axis titles. Check on that, and my y-axis here is thousands of gallons, and my x-axis here is week. All right, so now if I wanted to, I could connect these dots by double clicking on one of those series, and then that will bring up this format data series, and you can see the first option here is fill and line, and then you can here choose solid line, and you can choose the color and thickness if you want to. So now you can see that the chart looks like that there is no trend usually when I look at it. And you can see there are some ups and downs. So these are weeks. I'm trying to observe the data, and do I see anything other than horizontal line? So I could try to see whether I see seasons. So this week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 is the highest. Week 1, week 2, week 3 is highest. Week 4, week 1, 2. So I don't see really a pattern in terms of months of the weeks. So that being said, I don't see trend. I don't see a season. So what I could do is to show whether there is no trend. I could just click on this chart elements, and then here I could add a trend line. And then if you click on this arrow right here, and then you can click on more options, and you can see here that under trendline options, you can show the display equation on chart and display R square on chart. And as you see here, that the trend, there's a very slight positive trend. As you see, it's 0.02. So I wouldn't say even there is a trend on this data. And if you look at R square, I can almost explain nothing in terms of Y, which is gallons of gasoline sales by using week, using this trend line. So it means that really this trend line doesn't explain almost anything in my data. So that's why I would say there is no trend, because low coefficient here in front of X, and simple linear regression line or trend line doesn't really explain the data. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.